Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about the advantages and disadvantages of extrusion process. In manufacturing industry, there are so many advantages of extrusion process. Let's now discuss them one by one. First advantage is ability to create complex cross section. In extrusion process, we are able to create complex or very intricate cross section which cannot be possible to make in other manufacturing processes. Next is continuous production. In extrusion process, the production can be continuous in a particular length. In forging or in rolling or in other manufacturing process, if we want to make a product with a particular length, with a long length, then the process will not be continuous. But if we want to make that length product in extrusion process, the process will be a continuous process. Next is material versatility. We can extrude different types of materials in extrusion process like metals, non-metals, plastics, ceramics, and even different types of food products we can extrude in extrusion process. More advantages are excellent surface finish. In extrusion process, we get very smooth surface finish of the final product. So additional surface treatment must not required in few products. Next is high production rates. In extrusion process, we can produce material very fast. So the production rate is very fast. If the production rate is very fast, then the product will be very cost effective. Next is efficient material usage. In extrusion process, very few materials are get scrapped. So there are full usage of the raw material. So the efficiency of material usage is very high. The next advantage is enhanced mechanical properties. When we are doing hot extrusion process, then the mechanical property of that material will be enhanced because the grain structure during the process get aligned in a particular manner. That's why we get an enhanced mechanical properties of the final product. Next is reduced machining. When we are doing extrusion process, we get a final product. The surface smoothness of the product is very high, so the extra machining process get reduced. Next is customizability. In extrusion process, we can customize the different profiles of the extruded product by replacing the die, because the shape of the product or profile of the product depends on the die. The next advantage is consistency and precision. In extrusion process, the production rate is consistent and precision because in extrusion process we can maintain tight tolerance and consistent quality across long production runs, ensuring uniformity in the final product. Next advantage is cost effective for high volumes. When we are producing product using extrusion process, then we need a closed cylinder or vessel and need a ram, that is a setup for extrusion process. When we have made the setup for extrusion process, then we don't need to pay more for the setup. That's why the cost effective for high volumes can be possible, because when we have made the total setup for extrusion process, then we can use the setup for very large scale production. Next is reduced lead time. When we are doing extrusion process, one product has been extruded, then the other product can be extruded very fast. So the lead time or scrap time is very low. Next, we will see the disadvantages of extrusion process. though there are many advantages of this extrusion process, but there are few disadvantages of extrusion process. Let's discuss them one by one. First is high initial tooling cost. When we are making an arrangement for extrusion process, the tooling cost, the arrangement cost for the setup is very high. So the one-time investment is very high. So the high initial cost is required for this extrusion process. Next is material limitations. Though there are many kind of materials we can extrude in extrusion process, but there are few limitations. Which metals have ductile properties and can flow under pressure are only can be extruded. Other materials cannot be extruded. Next is dimensional limitations. When we are doing extrusion process, there are limitations on the size of the cross-section area that can be extruded. Very large or thick sections can be challenging to produce. So only very few dimensions can be made. Very large or very thick sections cannot be possible to extrude very easily in extrusion process. This is another disadvantage of extrusion process. Next disadvantages is potential for surface defects. So the extruded surface can sometimes exhibit defects such as die lines, scratches or other imperfections. So when we are doing extrusion process, then there may be some defects on the extruded product. Next is internal stresses. It especially occurs when we are doing cold extrusion process. When we are doing cold extrusion process, it is taken as cold working. So in cold working, the internal stresses can be found. This is another disadvantage. Next is limited tolerances. When we are doing extrusion process, especially when we are doing hot extrusion process, the dimensional tolerances is limited. We can't achieve tight tolerance. Next disadvantage is variation in material properties. When we are doing extrusion process, extruded material can vary along the length of the extrusion, which might affect the performance of the final product in some applications. So when we are doing extrusion process, the extruded product can be long in length. So the heated material will be flow very easily, but which material portion is below heated, then the material flow will be less than the before material. Then we can see the variation in material properties on the final product or on the extruded product. Next is design constraint. Extruded profile is constrained by the need to maintain a consistent cross section along the entire length. So complex geometries that change along the length are not possible. So when we are doing extrusion process, especially when we are doing a profile, the profile will be same through the entire length. We can make in half a different profile or in other half the alternate profile. So the profile will be same. This is another limitation of extrusion process. Next is limited customization in production. So when we are doing extrusion process using one die, so product will be as the profile created on the die. If we want to create another profile, then we have to change the die section. This is another limitation. The next disadvantages are cooling and handling issues. When we are doing hot extrusion process, this limitation can be found. The extruded product needs to be adequately cooled to retain its shape and properties, which can be challenging for large or complex profiles. Next is environmental concerns. The extrusion process, especially for hot extrusion, consumes significant energy and can have environmental impact unless energy efficient methods and materials are used. This is huge concerns for our environmental impact. So we have to make products from energy efficient materials. The next and the last one is length constraints. While extrusion is suitable for producing long continuous parts, there are practical limits to the length of extruded products based on the equipment and handling capabilities. So these are the disadvantages of extrusion process. So in this video, I have discussed about the advantages and disadvantages of extrusion process. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.